What is up, guys? I'm bringing you some Mcpixel again, like a boss, because this game is awesome. This is episode 4, I think. I'm gonna check the DLC real quick, because it just updated and took forever. So let's just look in here. User pack. Day 92. That thing. Okay, nope, nothing new in there that I can tell. Okay, so back to menu. I gotta go through this again. Gosh darn it! I'm just gonna go here. I need to turn this down because I was just playing a game. Kick! Into your body. Lol. Okay, I think I'm on chapter 2 now, actually. Kick. Lols. Whoa. Okay, button press. What the heck? Okay. Ooh, a bomb! Whoa, that was weird. Okay. Boom, shakalaka. Alright, let's do this. Save the day. Oh, stadium. It's football. Yes, it's football. Ball kick. Can I ball kick you? What the frick did I just do? Well, that stadium exploded. Not my problem anymore. Supermarket. Ooh, some poop. What the heck? Okay, well that worked. These are gonna be kinda hard, I think. They feel like they're going to be very, very complicated. Ooh, a bomb, a shower. Ball kick. Did that? That worked. What? Is that a worm? Oh, it's an arm. And a zombie. Here you go, Mr. Zombie. Take your arm! I'll just put it in this ram slide. What the heck was that? Okay. Speedboat! You're going too fast, sir. Yeah, I'm going to have to ask you to stop. Did you realize there was a bomb here? Ball kick. Tubey thingy. Oh, well, that sure worked. I did it! I win. Aw, dang it. I could have swore that would have done it. Spaceship. Mcpixel. Beer. And another ram slide. I'll take that beer. And then put it in here. Well, that was a fail. Oh, wait, did that work? I did it. These are so derpy sometimes. Okay, can I touch that? What happens if I just kick it? And then... balls kick. That helped. Dang it! Supermarket. To the supermarket. Buildings. Spaceship. Another spaceship. I'll take that. And then... put on this. Oh, this game is awesome. Click. Okay, so maybe I've got a... No, can I grab... I didn't want to... No, I'm sorry! Oh. A bro just messaged me. Hold on just a sec. I put way too many T's in that, but it doesn't matter. I'll probably edit that part out somehow. Or I'll just do something so you can't see his name. Come on, we can do this! Okay, so grab this. And then... okay, well that worked. Maybe I have to give this to the lady. What the heck? What the heck? Okay, let's do this. We got this. Okay, so giving the zombie a balls kick doesn't work, so let's try... What happens if I... What are you doing? That didn't make any sense. Ooh! Ooh, bonus round. You there. Oh, give it to you. How about you? Or you? How about you? Yeah, there you go. Whack him. Ah! No! Too many Mcpixels. Oh, I did it though. Oh, it's the last one. It's the last one. Let's do this. Let's do this. We can do this. Grab the bomb. And this. What? Did I? Okay, no, that didn't work. Let's just put it on. Why would you do that? Well, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that absolutely crazy thing that I just did. Thanks for watching. See you guys later.